Hello, you are welcome to our lesson of today. We have another lesson. Welcome to our channel of the Schools Learning Network. I think you want to learn through me. My name is Mr. Rahul, expert in physics, chemistry, and biology. So today we have another lesson for this day. So you are welcome. Today we are going to learn how to create a delivery tube with usable material. This is the delivery tube. How reached here or how have been created into this as you observe, as you see. So that is our lesson for today. How to make delivery tube with useful material. So if you are the first time to go to this channel, for this video, subscribe. We have different videos through this channel. So you are welcome. Delivery tube, that is a glass material, and this is delivery tube produced within industries. But when we are going to use on either preparation of gases, we have oxygen gas, we have hydrogen gas in schools, they use delivery tube. So how to create this delivery tube from here to this? So that's our lesson. Let's be together with me to understand this, how to create our delivery tube. We are going to use a source of heat. We have a burner here. We are going to switch off. That's our burner. Then we are going to create this. Let's observe and then you will see. The first step, we are going to create wire. Then we are going to heat. Let's observe. Yes, you are going to burn this delivery tube. You see. That is the first. Yes, it's possible. Then we create another. This is the first. Then we create another. Yes, this is ready. So you can use for preparation of lessons. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel, like another time. Thank you.